Hi. This demo will show you step by step how to use the on sale schedule function. To accommodate the several reasons to schedule products to go on sale throughout the year, B3 POS has been programmed with built-in settings to support your small business. Let's take a look. Scheduling products to go on sale is done in the back office. Click On Sale Schedule. This brings you to a screen where scheduled events are shown. Click Add to create a schedule. You can select the start and end date. Let's do one for the month of May. You can select the days of the week included in the sale, for example, weekends only. By default, every day of the week is selected. You can schedule which products to go on sale by individual product, sales bucket, price group, or by department. During the sale period, the on-sale price will automatically be used for checkout. However, there is an exception to that rule. When scheduling products by department, the set percentage value overrides the on-sale price. In this case, the percentage discount of the regular price will show during the sale period. Departments can be created when you create a product. Here on screen, we will show you how to schedule products to go on sale. You can do it by selecting an individual product as shown here. You can also do this by using sales buckets, which are products that are grouped together. You can click Add to create a new bucket group. On this screen, you can choose all the products that you would like to group together to go on sale. Select all of the products to group and click Add. For example, we'll create one called Summer Sale. You can use the creative bucket to set a schedule for them to go on sale. Here you can select the sales bucket and also the days for the sales bucket to go on sale. You can also schedule products to go on sale using price groups. This is only available for the general retail sales version. Watch the demonstration video on that for price groups. Price groups can easily be created on the product screen. When viewing product information and the product is currently on sale, you will see a red square beside the sales field. If it has been scheduled but not currently on sale, it will display the scheduled date. Enjoy the trial version, and you can learn more at www.b3pos.com.